Hi y'all, it's Chaz. It's been so long, y'all. It's been what, probably like 2 months since I posted a video on YouTube. Let's see what my last video was. Anyways, it is Chaz. Thanks for clicking on today's video. Welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, thank you for coming back. Today's video is going to be something hopefully fun. We'll see how this comes together. But for the last couple of years, we're just gonna say couple of years, I've been recording my birthday and posting it on YouTube. This year, I don't think it's giving that. However, I am planning a little photo shoot. So my birthday is June 18th, 1992. I am turning 34 this year, y'all. I cannot believe it. That is so unreal to me. Like, I was just 24 and popping it, and you telling me that I'm 34. 34 is real close to 40. Like, how did we get here? And if you know, you know. I came on YouTube when I was like probably like 19, 18, maybe even. So this is wow that we are here. Back to the topic at hand. We're gonna do a photo shoot, y'all, and this is the start of that whole little process. So I'm about to leave my house. I got a couple of looks that I want to pull through. Yeah, the photo shoot was supposed to be today, and then I just been all over the place. Like, one thing about me, when I am on my period, everything is never mind energy. Like, I don't like nothing about it, never mind. So I just been a little bit unbalanced, but it's fine. It's fine. We're gonna pull through. I just love my friends and how they really just be like, girl, get yourself together and make this what it's supposed to be. So we gonna make it what it's supposed to be. But yeah, let's head to the store. We're headed to Ross. I have a list of things that we are going to look for, and then we'll come back and put it all together and all of the things. But yeah, this is the start of this video. I hope you all watch it and see how my vision comes to life. Yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next clip. Bye. Y'all, we are running so behind, so I am rushing, but it's my birthday. Big 34 today, big 34 today, big 34 today. This is my outfit. I'm probably gonna have to show y'all a little bit later more in depth. My cowboy boots, and we're about to go have a little photo shoot. So I will catch y'all there. Let go. About to start the shoot. I am so hot.
I'm getting sick and I'm tired of living life this way. Lord, without you here with me, all I seem to do is make mistakes. I'm asking, is there a limit to your mercy? 'Cause I wanna know. I wanna go back to the days where for you I was thirsty. Okay now, Lord, I apologize. Again, I crucified you. I try to fight it, but it's clear I need you to survive. So many times I tried with my own devices, but you told me everything I need you have provided. Blind to your love, was deaf to your call. I come before your throne of grace and I surrender all. 'Cause when I fall, you're there to catch me. So if they ask me, I'll say that your grace is all I need. Oh Lord, you can see the best in me. It's why I call you Yahweh. It's why I call you Yahweh. When I'm walking through the valley, let me feel you next to me. And that's my prayer. Oh, and that's my prayer. You know my thoughts.
It's a wrap! Woo! It's a wrap.
We did it. We did it.
Hooray! G-double-O-D-J-O-B. Good job, good job. Come on now, G-double-O-D-J-O-B. Good job, good job. Good job, good job. Good job, good job. It's a wrap.
We did it. We did it.
Hooray! Thanks, bud. Love you so much. that was a beast. It was so hot outside. I haven't seen the pictures just yet, but the little sneak peek that I got, it looked like they're going to turn out really, really cute. So I'm excited to see those. I don't know if I showed y'all this. Literally have a whole little like suitcase. So imagine a girl in 100-degree weather trotting in downtown Texas while a World Cup festivity is going on. Craziness. But we made it happen. I'm at a restaurant now waiting on my friend to come join me. And I think I'm going to end this video here. I'm not sure of all the content that I got because it was just so much craziness going on. But 34, I feel really grateful for the last year. 33 was a really like shifting year for me. A lot of internal growth. Like I'm so proud of just everything that I've accomplished, and like just really sitting down with myself and just creating a better life for myself. We can dive deeper later, like what that looked like and some of the things that I did. But yeah, it's my birthday. Make sure you comment down below. Happy birthday. I'm going to end this vlog here, and I'm going to go on and finish the rest of my birthday festivities. But love y'all. If you watched this whole video, comment down below. Happy birthday, and I will catch y'all in the next video. You got me flowers. Thank you. Happy birthday, Chastity. I love you so much, and I am so proud of you. And I told you everything was going to get better.